Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to make money as a reseller. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or turn this into a full-time gig, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is reselling? It's all about buying products at a low price and selling them at a higher price to make a profit. Sounds simple, right? But there's a bit more to it. Here are some key steps and tips to help you succeed as a reseller. Step 1, find your niche. This means deciding what types of products you want to focus on. It could be anything from vintage clothing, electronics, to home decor. The key is to choose something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will make it easier to spot great deals and understand what your customers are looking for. Next up, research and source your products. Start by checking out popular online marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, and Facebook Marketplace. You can also hit up local thrift stores, garage sales, and flea markets. Always be on the lookout for items that are in good condition and can be resold for a profit. When you're sourcing products, make sure to inspect them carefully. Look for any damage or defects that could affect their resale value. It's also a good idea to check the item's current market value online to ensure you're getting a good deal. 2. Create an online store. Once you've gathered your products, it's time to create an online store. You can use platforms like Wix, Shopify, or even Etsy. Make sure your store is visually appealing and easy to navigate. High-quality photos and detailed descriptions are crucial to attract potential buyers. Take clear, well-lit photos of your items from multiple angles. Include any important details in your descriptions, such as size, brand, condition, and any flaws. The more information you provide, the more confident buyers will feel about their purchase. 3. Set competitive prices. Pricing your items competitively is key to making sales. Check out what similar items are selling for and price yours accordingly. Don't forget to factor in any fees from the selling platform and shipping costs to ensure you're still making a profit. Speaking of shipping, make sure you have a reliable shipping method in place. Offer different shipping options to cater to your customers' needs, and always pack your items securely to prevent damage during transit. 4. Promote your store. Promotion is essential to drive traffic to your store. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your products and reach a wider audience. You can also run ads and collaborate with influencers to boost your visibility. Engage with your followers, respond to comments and messages promptly, and build a community around your brand. The more you interact with your audience, the more loyal they will become, and there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to becoming a successful reseller. Remember, consistency and patience are key. Keep learning, keep sourcing, and keep selling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money and building your business. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.